Hello and welcoming you all back to Pavitra CR YouTube channel. Today in this video we will be looking on to the importance of creativity in an organization. Why creativity is important to implement in an organization. Why it is important to make and creative decision making. So everything in this video, and I am Pavitra, working as an assistant professor at the Department of Business Administration PG at Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are discussing about, we are looking on to into a video lecture series on creativity and decision making. Today in this video we will be looking on to the importance of creativity in a business. So in the previous 4 videos we were discussing more about what is creativity actually. So now a creativity word is not something new to us, or it is not something Greek or Latin word to us. We are more familiar about what is creativity is actually. So creativity is actually something bringing something new and innovative to the business. So as we say always, it is not something sticking on to a old and theoretical or a conceptual ideas that has been followed for years and years. Rather than sticking on to a same ideas, same solutions, same processes, bringing something new and innovative is called as a creativity process. So for example, to say clear you why creativity is more important, I would give you all an example why creativity is more important. So we have came across the pandemic hurdles, right? It have been 2 to 3 years since this hurdles. So the change, the people or the impact that arise due to these kind of a change has been given a greatest impact in our society or in a business. So there has been arise the rapid change of technologies, process of every businesses. So for this kind of a change in technologies or an environment, every business should adapt to this changing technologies or environment. For example, during old days, people were using the telephones at their home. So as technologies improve, people are shifted to mobile phones. Mobile phone have been shifted to Android phones. Android phones to tab iPhones. So we have been moved on technologically with more innovative ideas and processes. In this case, an organization should continuously adapt to the changing environment. If at all the company is not adaptable to these kind of an environment and stick on to the old, my business is to invent a telephone. So I would stop that. My business is telephone. I would stop that. If the company stops with that kind of a telephone and not adaptable to this changing environment of mobile phones, rapid change of mobile phones, Android phones, iPhones, so the company would be in the place where it was and it would be vanished. So to survive in a market and to adapt to attract new customers and as well as to retain the existing customers, it is most important to adapt to the changing environment and bring in a creative practices rather than sticking on to old conceptual ideas is more important to an organization. So now I think so you people would have been understand would have come to an idea of why and creativity is more important to an organization, isn't it? So coming on to picturization of importance of creativity. So first and foremost, creativity boosts the productivity of the organization. As I said, we are providing a customer centric process. We are understanding who are our customers, what are the needs of customers, what are the changing environment, changing technologies, and bringing on our creative ideas based on it. So in that case, we would get new customers, we would retain the existing customers, and this case our productivity do increases very well. So creativity motivates the innovation. First and foremost, what is innovation? What is the difference between invention and innovation? So invention is something bringing a new into our existence that would not be created priorly. For instance, let us take a bulb. introduced by Thomas Alva Edison, is an invention. Later, LED lights, lamps, those are an inventions. So initially, the telephone that was invented is an innovation. Later on, the changing of mobile phones, Android phones, iPhones are the innovation. So this is the basic difference between innovation. So creativity fosters innovations rather than sticking on to the inventions. It motivates to bring more innovations to a product, and it builds the confidence to the organization that something new has been arised and we can give valuable products to the customers. And it is multidisciplinary. It provides a better team coordination. So creativity doesn't happen with one mind. It comes about the team spirit and team coordinations of group of people, and it improves collaboration and stimulates the mind. So for these factors, it is more important for an organization to bring in a creative business ideas and to foster towards success. So that's it about this video. In the next video, we will be discussing on to further more interesting topics on creativity and decision making. Thank you.